Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will share with you 4 trending niche on merch by Amazon. So guys, the first niche that I have, I turned it out okay considering the printing funny, and this is the niche guys. I turned out okay considering the printing. This is a coat niche guys. As you can see here, I have a very low BSR as you can see here on the screen, and this is just I did on 16 April 2025, and this is the first niche guys. You can make a design with variety of colors, and you can make variety of colors as you can see here, and with graphic style. This is the first niche. So guys, the second niche that I have, it is on the dog niche, and I left my dog to be here. This better be good. This is a good niche, the coat, and with this symbol of dogs guys, paw. So guys, this is the best price of this t-shirt. If you make this design of similar of this design, you will get sales with, as you can see, the BSR very low, and they just added the last 2 days ago. And this is a vintage. You can make a vintage on your listing design. So guys, I hope this niche helpful. You will help you to make a sales. And the third niche that I have guys, it is about baseball drip ice cream cone. This is mixed to design guys with baseball niche and ice cream, and it is found in sport baseball lover. This is very BSR low, just added 2 days ago. So guys, this last niche that I have, my mom is in a better place and she is jar at home. This is code design with this graphic funny. This is popular guys on this on this month, because this is make very low BSR with this code. So guys, this is just added last days ago, and you can make sales up with this design, coat design with this vector. So guys, I hope this phone you will be help you to make sales, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more content, for more niches every day. Thanks for watching this video guys.